guess what? It's time for a little Black Friday unboxing, baby. And I got galore coming through the mail. But we're gonna start out with my first two boxes that I got from Black Friday so far. And it's from a company called Glamlite. And Glamlite is the bomb. Glamlite got like food design makeup. It's hard. You gonna see. But a lot of that stuff look like food, but we about to see. First thing I'm gonna pull out actually is one of the foods. And it's just so cute. But this is the Glamlite piece of slice. And this is eyeshadow. Excuse me, I gotta get this. Until when I first opened it, it had a $10 gift card. How far is that? Yes. This is it's kind of not really a mystery box, but it's a goodie box. It's got all kind of stuff in it. Let's open up the piece and see. I don't know. It's two. I got two of them. They're different colors. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to see where I can put this. Alright, let's see. I know how to open it. Oh, yeah, that was easy. Oh, I thought it was gonna be this. Another piece slides out. See, that's just so cute though. You know, that's so cute. Alright, here's the actual palette. Oh, this is the Veggie Lovers one. Veggie Lovers. It's just so cute. I'm gonna look at it first. This one I didn't like as much the colors, but it's still fine. But this is the colors. But actually, the green's popping. But this is the Veggie Lover one. There's a lot of greens. I guess the veggie green. I really like that one. I like that gold. I like any gold. They nice though. They nice. Kind of look protective. Put you back home. That's just so cute. This is my first time ordering from Glamlite too. I've been wanting to for like a year now. Finally made it. Thank you, Black Friday. I'm good sale. Alright. Next thing I want to put out this one I don't really know. It's called Caribbean Glow Body Luminizer. Yeah, I doubt I used this one, but it's nice, it's cute. I'll take it, you know, I collect it. I'll give it away, maybe, you never know. Let's open her and see. I feel funny, like I'm here talking to myself, but I'm talking to y'all, whoever look like I'm talking to you. I need a little trash bag. And I'll take it everywhere. Cute box. No, I mean it's real pretty though. I mean real pretty. Like a real bronzy goldie, but it's real pretty. I just don't see where I would wear this. So pretty though. Look, I spilled everything. That's real cute though. We'll figure something out. Next thing, this is another food thingy. But these are, ain't that just so cute? But these are the taco lashes. And I'm not good at all with a lash. But I be in here trying and practicing, it still don't work. It still don't work. Everything's nice and sealed up. No, that'll work. Yeah, the taco lashes. I'm gonna look first. Oh yeah, they nice and plump and full though. Yes, but I probably ain't gonna be able to put these mugs on. But they nice though. They nice. Those are the taco lashes. That's just so darn cute. You can't tell me that ain't cute. Next thing I'm excited about this. I kind of got one, but this one looks real good. But it is a quick crease stamp. And the cut crease, you know, that little part right here, right there. But that's a hard thing to master. So this is a tool to help you get that little shape you need. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I like the handle and stuff. I don't think I'm gonna take it out. No. Yeah, I tell you, it's feel good. You can put your little concealer on, stamp that baby on there, and you put your color on top. Yeah, so you can do eyeshadow too. Put the eyeshadow, put it on there. It's cute. I love anything pink. Next, while I'm here, I'm just doing another lash. I got more lashes. And this paint splashes, because I guess it's like paint, you know, splash maybe, but paint splashes. More lashes though. And this is a hint what I'm going to unbox in my other box. If you just look at it, there's a little hint. Look, I have to look over here. Make sure I look all right. Okay, I look all right. This package is just so darn cute. Just look at it. I like how these ones open. See who got a lash box like this? See, just so darn cute. I ain't seen it yet. Let me look. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like the taco lashes better. But those are cute too. Probably can't put them on, but I love the box. And two, this is magnetic, so it stays. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna pull out a lippy now. Pull out a little lipstick. And there's another paint theme one too. It ain't all food, it's a little different things. There's another paint theme one. Let's see what this is called. Well, I can't see on the outside what it's called. I hope this is alright color that I can wear. Ooh, yes, I love a prepper. Yes, okay. Do you got a name yet? Nope, no name. All right. But that's a really, really, really pretty purple. Really, really. I like the packaging too. It's got a little mirror. And it feels good in the hand. I ain't gonna try none on now. Let's see though. Yeah, but I love it though. But yeah, I don't know if I wear that. I probably can do a combo, little ombre or something. But it's pretty though. It's pretty. It got me a little scared, but it's pretty though. Okay, lippy. All right, now lippy, can't get you back in here. Gotcha. Alrighty. I'm just pulling this out because I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a little magnetic. I guess picture data or something. I love pizza, little magnet. You got their little card. Here's the owner, Giselle. She's so fine, and her creativeness is just so fine. The little card come with it though. Oh, here goes some steps from what I was talking about earlier. For that stamp I got for the cut crease. Just show you some steps of how to get it on there. Yes. Ooh, yeah, I've been real excited about this one. But this is eyeliner, and I cannot say it right. Calligrapher. I ain't sure. Calligrapher. I think that's all the way wrong, but that's how I'm gonna say it. But it's a real cute eyeliner, and it's supposed to be like smudgeless, smudge free, or whatever. You know, real precise and all this. And that just bust her open. Bad about opening things. Ooh, comes with a nice red. Oh yes. Pen. It's kind of like a pen, like one of them throwback pens back in the day when I used to write with a velvet, because I think that's what the name supposed to mean, but I don't know. Yes. Oh, nice. Ooh, that feels good in the hand. Like I can really work that better. But yes, that's an eyeliner. And this thing, you know it's some good. It's $18 on her site, but with the box, you know, I didn't really pay that. But yeah, you know that's some good if this eyeliner $18. Just open her up too. Ooh, oh, you don't twist it, just pull it Oh, there she is. Yes, real fine tip. Oh, yep. I can deal. That was a good fine line. Yes, and it felt good too. Glide it right on. Okay. Yes, and I heard these last a while. So that's good. I think we just got one more thing left. Yeah, I'm saying. And it's my other piece of slice eyeshadow palette. And this is the, what's it called? No, I gotta open up to see. Another piece of slice. That's what it was. Meat lovers. It's called meat lovers. Oh, you don't want to come out. What's your favorite topping? I just want to read the inside. Let me see. Yeah, this got like, you know, pepperoni meats all in front. Yeah. Oh yeah, see, this is the one I really wanted. Pretty much because of the reds and pinks. But yes, they go meat lovers, baby. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Ooh, that. The whole thing. I love this whole thing. I wanted to get the whole piece of palette. They got a whole piece of. I'm gonna work on that. Try these out, see how they do. The ham is so pretty. And pepperoni. Yes. Alright, like I said, I'm sad. That's all for this box. I'm gonna put it back in as we leave, okay? One piece of slice. My other piece of slice. My eyeliner. Magnet. Liquid lipstick. My paint splashes. My taco lashes.